welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to wrap and make your okpa. Yes, so please pay attention, listen and open your eyes.
Yes, okpa is a diet that you can describe as a complete meal. Yes, it has your protein, it has your carbohydrate, it has your vaccine, it has essential vitamins that you need.
First thing is to get your bambara seed. Yes, you have to go to the market, buy the seed. There is option for you to blend it in the market, or if you don't want to, you can take home the seed and blend it with your blender. But I would advise, if you blend it in the market, try as much as possible to receive it. Yes, because you would not like to eat an okpa that contains sand, all the sand particles. It's very annoying, very disgusting. So if you do not want to go through that stress, you can receive it at home, or you can as well tell the person that's sieving it for you in the market to sieve it very well. You can just be watching the person sieving it. Tell the person to sieve it very well. So yeah, this is how it should be.
After you're done, you have to bring out your wraps. I have already wrapped this one. These are my wraps. In fact, these are the wraps I remained from the last okpa I made, but I'm still going to need to wash it, and I'm still going to need to make another wraps because these ones won't be enough. So continue watching and you will learn every bit of what I do for my okpa.
After washing the wraps, as you can see, I'm washing it with warm water. So after washing it, you can put it in a stainless tray. Use the back of the stainless tray so it can be very smooth. You put the first one, then you put the second one. You can put more than one or even 3 or 4. Just make sure that the wraps are thick and strong. You don't want it too light, because if it's too light, it will break. You understand? So you would like it to be strong. I'm sorry I did not record where I was tying it, but this is just it. Once you fold it into 2, you would like to fold the edges, fold the open edges, just like your foil, your moi foil. You fold the open edges, and then you take one edge, like one edge of the wrap, and squeeze it, make a knot and tie it. I was using a stand to hold the camera, so it didn't get the part where I was tying it, so I'm sorry about that. If you have any question, you can let me know, so I'll do a more detailing video on this. Okay, please put it down in the comment section. Thank you.
hot water, then you add your pepper, you add your salt, and then you add your okpa, and that is just it. Then you mix with all the strength you have. Honestly, you need a lot of mixing.
Mixing with all the strength you can, you start adding your hot water bit by bit. You can start adding from 1 cup to 2 cups to 3 cups till you get a dropping consistency, a little bit lighter than your pap. Yeah, that is it. And after you start putting in your okpa into the wraps. You just open your wrap to the middle, you open up the middle, then you put your okpa inside. You can use a measuring cup or you can just use a plate. Place it, make sure it's well balanced, and then you fold the mouth just like this, make a knot, and then you tie. That is just it.
So then in a boiling water you begin to add your okpa gently. Please, you don't have to pour it inside, because if you do you might end up breaking that leaf and it will tear it up. So please carefully add it. Take your time to add them one by one, just as I'm doing here. 30 to 45 minutes your okpa should be ready. As you can see, this is the okpa. Very smooth, very nice, very sumptuous. So please, if you do have any question, do let me know so I can do a video detailing that issue, if it's what's it, or I will just answer you very clearly so that you can understand better. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye.